I'm Margie. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DIY Hacks for Life. Today I'm going to show you how to hem some curtains without having to sew them. So let's get started. Here we go. So what you do is you get this tape. It's from any craft store, Amazon or Walmart, and it's called heated hemming tape. It's called Ultra Bond Heat Bond. And this is what you do. You put the glue side down, and this side has paper on the other side we're going to peel off later. So you put your glue side down, and you start at the edge. We're going to start ironing it on. Okay? I actually used my heating iron for my hair that flattens my hair, and it worked too, but it made it messy. So I would stick with an iron. And then you go like this, and you just you take the left hand and you hold it down while you iron on with the other hand. Unless you're left-handed, do it the other way. And you keep moving down, you pick it up and you move it down. And it's really, really easy, really, really quick. And what's great about this is you don't need help. You can do it all by yourself, and you don't have to sew and take all that time to sew, unless you really wanted to. Just usually, you can also use this to keep it on while you do sew it. You know, for extra strength. But if it's for curtains, I won't mess with it because curtains don't go through the washing machine. But you use this tape for pants as well. If you want to hem some pants, it does the same job. Or anything else you can think of that you don't want to sew, but you need to hem. This is the first step. You put that part on first on the edge, and you go to the end. So now when you get to the edge, go ahead and cut it off. And next, you peel off the top protective layer. Peel off the strip. Take it off. And then everything, you can feel it, everything is dry and cooled down. And then you're getting ready to reheat this. And you fold it over. And you fold it over like this. And then you iron this part. And get it real good. Let it, the hotter the better. And you can pretty much tell when it's doing it because it stays flat. And you do the rest of it. Pull it all the way down. This just makes it so much easier. Imagine just like going to work and you gotta have these certain pair of pants and your hem came out. Say your work pants or anywhere you need to go, and you just gotta hem something real quick. You just pull out your tape and iron it on and you're good to go. And it holds for a long time. I think the only thing that, yeah, I've even put these through the washing machine with this on and it stays. But I'm sure after time it wouldn't, you know. There we go. We're almost done. And there we go. We have a hem set of curtains. Look at that. Nice straight line. You didn't have to sew it. I appreciate you joining us. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's new. We have more videos coming for lots of different things in life, for men and for women, and even for kids. See ya.